5 ghost videos caught on doorbell camera. I'll kill you. In 2019, a CCTV doorbell footage outside a family's house captured something very strange, which shocked them to the core. Take a look. Some horrifying sounds of someone or something can be heard screaming, and then you can hear a voice say, I'll kill you. This footage is extremely creepy if you look at it, and there is no way any person could make such kind of noises. What do you think? Was it really a ghost threatening the family? Should they be concerned about it? Let me know what you think. Creepy backyard. In August of 2018, a man captured something really bizarre going on in his backyard at 4:23 in the morning. Something is constantly moving on the far left of the screen in a very weird way. Then, at around 17 seconds in the video, a white mist seems to originate on the middle window out of nowhere. The footage shocked the man himself to the point that he doesn't go in his backyard past 1 a.m. in the morning. But what do you think? Was it really a paranormal encounter? Or it's even more unexplainable? You be the judge. The Lady in White. In July of 2019, a man captured something really unexplainable in his doorbell camera at 9 p.m. in the night outside his house. A figure of a woman, which looks to be in all white, appears out of nowhere on the far right of the screen, which walks and turns around before disappearing in thin air. This footage is very creepy, without a doubt, in so many ways. But what do you think? Was it really a ghost of a lady in white? Or it was just a random woman? If she was a random woman, why didn't the camera capture her first in this area and only in that one? You be the judge. A see-through entity. A man named Mike Rook uploaded a very strange video over on his channel that one of his doorbell cameras outside his house captured, and it's quite unexplainable. Did you catch it? A see-through figure seems to walk by the street outside Mac's house, and the figure looks to be missing his upper body since only the legs are visible. Mike has no explanation for this, and neither do I. Do you have an explanation for this? Let me know down in the comments. Unpredictable. Versatile Speed is a channel of a man named Lester, who basically has nothing to do with paranormal stuff in general. But in October of 2020, his doorbell camera outside his house captured something extremely strange while he and his fiancée were out for work. The footage shows a disembodied figure walking across the road in boots just as the truck passes by. And if you think it's a fake footage, Lester made a separate video over on his channel explaining how he couldn't fake it either way, in which he also shows the exact raw footage in his Ring Doorbell camera application.
Man, what did you think when I first showed you that?
I couldn't believe it. I was like, what the hell? He blew up my phone and he was like, babe, look at what I just sent you. And I was like, what the f is that?
We had just left for work. It's first thing in the morning. Y'all follow me on Instagram. Y'all seen a video already. I wanted to give a detailed video, more like, this ain't fake. I ain't edited. I ain't planning this. Like, it just happened. We left for work, y'all. I'm sitting here on my phone. I get a notification. See, we just got a notification right now. That's why the phone went off. Your Ring. You get a notification from your Ring doorbell when someone passes by. So I was like, let me go see, just in case, check on it. Y'all see my issue with my neighbors. Let me go check. Someone watched me leave or something. You know, they trying to hit up the house or something. Let me check. Went to check, y'all. It's just a truck passing by. All right, cool. I don't know what it was, but something made me keep watching past the truck leaving. I was like, let me just keep watching, bro. See if something happened. Someone jumped out the truck or something. I don't know. Someone walked up. I was like, let me just watch. Let me just keep watching. I'm on my way to work, y'all. I'm driving. I was like, dang. Is that feet? Like, I thought I was tripping, y'all. Like, is that feet? It's just boots. And it's just like, you see an outline of a person. And it's so crazy because, like, I never thought I'd...
How many times did you watch it after? Like, the first time you watched it?
About 15, 20 times. That was that morning, though. The day kept going on. I was watching the video count go up. I was like, man, I might as well make a video on it. And the reason why I posted it online was because I got to work. And my brother Nico, he was like, man, you might as well post it. You might go viral. I was like, man, I ain't worried about that. But that thing blew up. Since we got 1,000 views on that video, I was like, we might as well go ahead and get a detailed video to show y'all that it's not fake, y'all. So what I'm about to do for y'all is, I'm about to flip the camera around, give y'all a view of my phone, and go into the Ring app and show y'all it's directly from Ring. I ain't no edit. Most of y'all are gonna say, oh, you fucking went away from the camera. Nah, all right, go back into it, y'all. Y'all see I cleared that shit. Ring, right here. Go to today. Thursday the 15th. Let me see.
It was around what, 6?
Around
6:40, 6:45, 6:50.
It's nighttime. There's like a big.
Oh no.
There's an overview though of the whole thing you can find.
That was the night. That was the afternoon.
This is the afternoon.
That was the 14th. That was Wednesday.
Oh dang it. Oh, so I gotta go forward then. Loading footage.
Wait, you have to wait for it. Yes, it's 5 in the morning.
But I started it. I started, so I'm hoping it will show star on here. All right, y'all, look.
I'm leaving, yeah.
This is my fiance leaving, so prior to her leaving, I left sometime. Well, that's her. Where's that truck?
Keep going?
Is this the truck?
No, keep going, because I saw, wait, this.
Oh, look, there's the star, y'all. There's the star. We found the star. I started. I'm turning sideways, give y'all a big view. Let's zoom in. I'm not capping, y'all. There's the truck. Why I kept watching after this, I don't know. These guys right here, they don't even acknowledge this. So I know people were saying in the comments, oh, it's edited, it's Photoshop. Y'all, this man boots. Look at this. Hold on, the boots about to come, y'all. We're gonna call him Puss in Boots. Nah, he ain't pussy. I ain't gonna tell him that. You ain't pussy, man. You cool. We just gonna call you Boots. Where is it? He coming. Y'all hear the people in the background talking right now. Boom. Y'all tell me what that is, man. Y'all tell me if I'm tripping. I edited this. Come on, man. He walked through the truck headlights. That's what my fiance pointed out. He walked through the truck headlights, man.
And you can still see that.
And you can still see him. Hold on. Here he goes. He comes back in the view. You can see what? You see his head, his hair a little bit, almost the face. I'm looking too close now, getting teary-eyed.
Look. You can still see the headlights.
Look, you can still see the headlights, y'all. Hold on. Boom.
No, keep it right there.
This is crazy. Never in a million years. Hold on, I'm gonna pause it right there for y'all. Look. Oop, went past it. He's in front of the white truck. Those boots are in front of the white truck, y'all. Go back a little bit more. Get him in front of the lights for y'all. He's in front, his body's in front of the lights. The lights, no problem. The only reason we're able to see his boots is because the black silk fence right there. I work in construction, y'all, so I know about that's a black silk fence. For those that don't know. But that is crazy. Really?
What do you think? Was it really a ghost roaming around the roads outside their house? You be the judge. Thanks for watching, guys. I have recently noticed that most of my viewers are not my subscribers. So please, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I will really appreciate that. And you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So please subscribe. And I'll see you all very soon.